Okay, cool. Let's choose some fucking NQ. Cool. Let's choose some fucking NQ. Uh, guys, welcome to my one and only NQ stream, where we're gonna be streaming the Nasdaq every day, depending on how it goes. Uh, it's a paper account. Let's get to the real account. Risk some real demo money. Filled up. We're gonna put on. Let me put my copier so I can execute all the trades. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's see what Nasdaq's doing. So last Friday we had a massive drop down. Massive drop down. What is this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So London high and the midnight open are pretty much at the same level. So yeah, on Friday we had a massive drop down, which I knew it was a massive drop down. I told my friend, I was like, we were looking at the chart, I was like, bruv, you can just literally sell anywhere right now. From Asia to New York Open and live for the rest of the day. And it's just gonna be in profits. Because that shit was not gonna pull back. You know, the higher time frame broke through structure. It was a free fall, basically, you know. Oh, let me put my smart glasses on. Let's see what we can do. So Enki open up. Enki open up and we had a drop down straight away. Let's see how is the higher time frame looking at. I was sorry guys, I was just doing something before I jumped on the stream, so I'm a bit out of touch with the market now. I need to see what's going on. We're using VWAP indicator. I never use VWAP, you know, trying to put it in there. It's a good indicator to see like sort of like support and resistance. You know, as you can see VWAP. If you look at where is the VWAP? What is that? Yeah, if you look at the VWAP, it acts like a support and resistance most of the time. You don't really sell or buy a VWAP, but it's good to use to have a good idea of, how the market is moving, when is it doing pullback, for example, I'm not trying to give a lesson here, but if the price breaks through VWAP and then pulls back, that could be an indication to sell, or if it breaks through VWAP with your entry model, that's also a good indication to sell. So I'm trying to like combine it, although. So throughout Asia, we consolidated as expected. Couldn't take the high. London dropped lower. Now we did a little pullback. What I want to see is the opening gap. We have an opening gap on the way down, which I actually like, because hold up. What is my fib? Yeah, we have an opening gap on the way down. We could expect the price to fill the opening gap at least 50%, somewhere around here, you know. So we could expect that to happen. You could look for sell entry maybe. because normally it fills up the price by at least 50% down like this. So you could look for sell entry around there. I'm just gonna put my tip here to be ready to know where the level stands at. Mm. So I'm trading. I'm trading. Let me see. I'm trading my I'm trading my funded accounts on Tradify. That's the only thing I'm trading right now. The reason behind is I just want to focus on one firm and get paid there and do the best there, uh, and then move to the next one. Let me just see if I can open the if I can open my YouTube chat. Chance. Not that. But I'm so confused with this stuff. Sorry, I've literally never streamed. Okay, cool. I got my YouTube chat here on my phone. So if anyone texts me on my YouTube chat, I'll be able to see on my phone. I'll put it on my stream once I figure out how. For now, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go back to the Nasdaq. Uh, see some areas. We do have some fair value gap over here on the 50-minute time frame, which could be a point of interest. If price taps in here, it strips this liquidity. Maybe we're gonna look for sell. On the way down, price already tapped into this fair value gap. You know, now it's working its way out. Stuff. I wanna. There's some plane flying over me. I don't know if you can hear in the stream. What I want to see right now is what I want to see right now is where we go in a high time frame because that's what matters. Is where we're gonna go in a high time frame, right? And after the big fall, let's see on the 4 hour, we are trading into this fair value gap over here, uh, right? We have another fair value gap down here, but I expect if it comes all the way down here, it's probably it's probably gonna start going lower. I don't like to look at too many fair value gaps because there's too many fair value gaps even in a higher time frame. Even if you go on a daily, it's a one big fair value gap, and there's this tiny one here. Um, it's hard to trade this price action because the move is so big. I expect today to be a slight pullback after Friday session. Um, but we're gonna be very conservative. We're gonna be very conservative. So for sales, as I said, I'm gonna be looking for this, you know, for this liquidity over here to get swept. You know, I'm gonna be looking for this liquidity here to get swept first, while tapping in this fair value gap and rejecting, and then I'll be looking for a sell setup. Because my bias is you know, it's still kind of bearish, you know. I don't see where I'm gonna be a buyer right now. If I want to be a buyer right now, if I want to be a buyer, I will have to, I will have to, I will have to see this fair value gap to get broken, inversed. If this fair value gap gets inversed, then we're gonna, start looking for buys. But currently, we're still very bearish. We're still very bearish. So, you know, hard to really hard to really fucking buy in this environment. The 50% of this gap is over here, of the opening gap. I don't know if it's gonna fill it up, but eventually it might. It's just gonna buy here. We got another 50-minute fair value gap. Wish price respect them. Over here. And it inverse this fair value gap on the way up. 50-minute one. Still kind of rejecting VWAP as well, but I would want this liquidity to be taken. If I want to sell, I would want this liquidity to be taken. You know, my rule of thumb is don't take a sell or buy if there's no sweep in any kind. In any kind. So I want this liquidity over here to get swept in the 50 minutes. So we do have price trying to come down again. And you could be very aggressive in this market, as I say. Like it's very likely to fill up this 50% gap once it opens. And you could be selling now, like, but I consider this as more like a aggressive approach. As you can see, the gap is filling up, already filled up like 25% mitigated the gap, the opening gap. Over here you can see 25% is already mitigated. I expect it to at least mitigate 50, if not more. So that could have been, let me see if there was like an entry. As the first present the fair value up over here. Price really didn't inverse down. Dun, dun, dun. You could have taken a sell from this fair value gap, over here. Could have taken a sell from this fair value gap, probably something like this. Maybe like 50%. Stop loss. Stop loss wouldn't be probably around here. Risk to reward is kind of shit. Unless you go on a 15-second chart where you're gonna be able to adjust your position a bit better. I just really don't like the setup, but normally it fills up the gap. It fills up the gap. As I told you guys, it's gonna fill up the gap. We did take some liquidity over here before we went down though, on the 1 minute. But after this big drop down, you know, I want to see the price do, you know, a bit more of a repricement. You know, I really wanted to tap in his favor because this liquidity here looks juicy. Yeah, it's gonna fill with 50%. Oh. I haven't had any breakfast. I haven't had anything. Let's see if it can close down below this 50-minute fair value gap. We'll have balanced price action there. Balanced price action, maybe. Let me play some music. You know, let me play some low music. Okay. Okay. I don't know if that's too loud, but hopefully not. And 50% was filled. Let's see. Have 8 minutes till this candle closes. See if we can reverse this fair value gap. Yeah, 50% was closed. This gap is pretty much ready filled. Ugh. Let me see what ES is doing. Let's see what ES is ES here. Oh, ES took this high. We do have SMT. See guys, I didn't see that. I have ES open. We do have some SMT. do have SMT too. If I saw this SMT, maybe I would have gone to sell. I didn't see that. 50 maybe have SMT. Well, too late. It's gone now. That's pretty much. That's pretty much filled already. Go ahead and move it. So, let's see how yes is looking. Yes. Yes, still has a massive drop to do. Yes, still has a plenty of room to drop. And honestly, the way it looks like, let's see. The way it looks like, I think we might be going lower today. Maybe that was the low pullback we're looking for, and now we're gonna drop. Let's see. I'm surprised that didn't get taken. But yeah, S&P divergence. It's low. It's most likely gonna get taken. I just want to see how how this candle closes, because the price still respecting this Fed like up 15 so let's see how it's gonna close. Let me change my view up color to yellow. It's too much red. Asia sessions red. A lot. You know, that's one thing about trading is, it's fucking boring because you gotta wait. Like, you can't be all action, action, action. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Even when you wait, you still lose. It's a dirty, dirty job. It's a dirty job. But you gotta wait. That's not a breaker yet. Just marking it. For now, it's just like ignore the block. Now it's just ignore the block. Could turn into a breaker. London, London high. I like if I was to take buy from this breaker, it was to give me a setup. It's too close to mine. It's, I could potentially expect reverse. Okay, price closed. Damn, couldn't even inverse this fact. That's why you wait, because you couldn't inverse this yet, let alone this fact, I guess. Yeah, it's, we broke this short and long into, short high. And took this out here. Without the slope here is it's not a fucking SMT. Just delete this to clear this yeah. This fair value over here plus burst is getting in our breaker. Potentially, if that breaks, and we'll see how it breaks. That breaks my first TP is probably going to be 50% fair value, 25%. Let's move here. Let's see. I like this. I like this except to the purchase. is my Hi guys, I need to run my Windows for power ups for my copy. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. Bro, it's such a mess. Oh, hold up. Oh shit. The break is going hard. Hold up. Hold up. I know you can't see my accounts now because I was messing around with it. I'm gonna fix it in a second. But let me see what's going on with the setup here. We do have a break. We have a break here. I like this whole open area. Really don't like this whole open area. Maybe 50% of the break. And then stop us here. Maybe take the longer high. I don't really like the R. Maybe I'll take it like this if it comes down. Maybe I'll take the buy like this. I don't really like the whole inefficient price action here, you know, because the way I'm gonna put my stop loss. Ideally, I want to put my stop loss at the end of the inefficiency, somewhere around here, but then my RR gets terrible. Let's see if it's gonna come down there. I'm gonna go with 7. I wanna exit the screen. Exit the screen. Okay, I think I fixed it now. I think you guys can see my accounts. I don't know if it's gonna pull back to this. I don't know if you guys gonna pull back to this. I don't really like my stop loss, to be fair, because ideally you want to put it at the bottom of this inefficiency, but honestly if it pulls back all the way back it's kind of, and ideally I want to enter before this liquidity swept. It's because if it sweeps the liquidity then my break even, you know, gets a bit sloppy. But the S&T looks nice. But just because you have SMT doesn't mean it's gonna start running up, continuously. SMT can be just great to be taking these guys. And it's swept this. I'm still looking for it to pull to this fair value gap and retest it. It didn't give us any, entry. It was just straight up here. So if it retraces to 50%, I'll be willing to take that. I didn't give entry in here, but I expect to get a bit better with retracement. This whole fair value gap area over here. I'm gonna I already don't like the R as it is. Yeah. Because I'm gonna take partials. The setup went from a good setup to kind of shit one because it took the buy side quick here. Maybe bad take. It's gonna go. Yeah, I mean, deliver the price straight up, straight up deliver the price up. So there was not much we could do about it, to be honest. Not much we could do about it. I mean, 3-minute inversion here. Why not? Put the bike in. Could have put the bike here in inversion, but it's not different. We're just taking the block to block. It's about the same thing. So now I would say that's a risky setup because this is already taken. You know, when this is already taken, price can just go up, take this, and then move down and pull back. You know, we take these levels. If you're able to enter this setup around here, but I was looking for a bigger pullback. So if you entered the breaker block here, you'll be good now. Because you'll be break even. Yeah. It's annoying, you know, that's one of the annoying things about trading, you know, like the way you want to take the setup, you know, and the most favorable way of taking the setup, it's not always gonna happen, you know, you're just gonna miss it just right now. You know, at this point, you know, it's already it's already retesting the fair value gap. You know, at this point I don't really want to be in the setup. So I'm removing it. Like, what's the point of being in the setup, you know? Because like if it starts going down from this fair value gap of rejection, you know, I'm gonna I'm not gonna be like bearish, but you know, the chance of it turning around being bearish is much higher. I kind of want to re-enter on this move around here because there was high chance of price coming this area like it did. We just didn't have the entry. So 5 minutes here. So now I'm looking for the price probably to come for the London highs around here. Since it is gone. Unfortunate. So now we're just gonna wait. There's nothing else we can do. All we can do is just wait. And you know, sometimes you'll be, you know, you look at the market and you'll be calling how it goes. You know, you understand where it will go and how it will go, but you just don't get the entry you want to get, you know, or the entry just it just runs through your entry, right? And it can get very annoying, and it can make you overtrade. It can make you enter setups that you don't want to enter. It can make you chase the price, you know. And this is one of the hardest things about trading. You know, it's about controlling yourself. When you see something happening that you know is gonna happen, but it just doesn't. Just doesn't give you the entry that you want. go to the gym as well. I want to go to the gym with a loss. Have you ever been to the gym when you fucking took a loss? That shit's fucking ass. This, this place kind of relevant. See how this 15-minute goes. It's far failed, yeah. Respect them. This one's respected, so this far failed, I got one here. Eight minutes until this. Can't do close with this. Damn, bro. I mean, that was a beautiful run up. Couldn't get on it. You know? You could get on it low inversion here. Broke, tapping all the way up, you know. But that's more of like aggressive management. Maybe with the S&Ps a bit better, but you know. I'm trying to take like interest on a bit safe, you know. I'm not looking to make money, I'm looking to just take to be very conservative trader that manages risk. So and you know, like maybe I should have taken the break. Maybe I should have taken the break. In reality, if I was to take it, if I was to take this break, say stop loss. What's going on here? I'll be buried 1 hour now, and my final TP, you know, it'll be like 1.7 hours. So R is absolute trash, you know. R is trash. It's not worth the risk, even though it works out. No, but it's just not worth the risk. Yes, kind of seem to be reversing it all in this fair value gap here. Hurts me miss this picture. Yeah, my friend took his vice. That sucks even one out. Just at this point, there's nothing we can do. You know, there's nothing we can do. We just sit and watch. They live through his heads. At this point, right? There's nothing we can do. Need to wait for another setup to form. You know, I don't want to be. I don't want to be long right now. You know, it's like I want to be long right now. I want to be long back then, but like right now, it's already ripping through. So a pullback's coming to some degree. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens after this liquidity has been taken. Um, After this liquidity has been taken, there's a 15-minute fair value as well with the liquidity. So we see how is that being taken. If it's gonna give me some good reversal signs, maybe we're gonna take some shorts. Um, just right now, there's nothing we can do. We can just get just pace with this type of thing. Pace with this. Yeah, a lot of people hate TP now, and that's it. So now we could potentially see some reversal after all this been taken and stepped into this 15-minute fair value gap. But for me to take it, okay, yeah, still needs to take these guys. ES doesn't take these guys, we're gonna have SMT, which I'm gonna like, you know, potentially that. I think it's gonna take it. Let me see. Count to close. So back in the days, I would have been chasing instead of back in the days, I would have been chasing instead of now. But it takes one wrong day to blow your accounts. You know? So it's if you don't catch a trade on the day, if you don't get a setup you want, you don't get any other set for the rest of the day. You know, the best thing is just not to trade. You know, just wait for another day. You know, the price can't keep on running away from you. Eventually, you're gonna catch a good setup the way you want to catch it. You know, and that's how you get longevity. Because everybody can win. You know, everybody can win. Not everybody can wait. Not everybody can take a loss. That's the markets. Yes, oh, it's a big run up, bro. It's a big run up. Yeah, if the 50 million versus this fair value gap, start trading this 4-hour one. She's gonna get sloppy. See how a simple SMT at the bottom can predict the whole gyro. That's why having your ears open is very important if you trade Nasdaq. I mean, bruv, what the fuck is that shit, man? Oh, good thing about here is just in this area we don't really have the only flaw I favor you have is staying here, so we don't need to like guess which zone, you know. So this favor I got here, if it gets inversely fall out, you know, most likely the price gonna continue going up. Which is a good thing, you know. So you had many fair value gaps and just you know price gonna continue going up like this. It's good. It's a bit more clear. Just as on Thursday, was it Thursday? Yeah, on Friday. I think Friday we had this inversion here. And after this inversion here, I knew there's nothing that stops price from so all this is easy base. It's easy base. So let's first this that kills an easy base. I'm not saying do that. I'm saying just it's a high probability guess, you know. Still look for setups, but like you can take sells or buys much more confidently because it's just price action is just an easy guess. Another 15 closes. Oh, we got 21 live, 23 people watching. That's kind of cool. 23 diehard fans. And nobody guys hard. what just happened. Yeah, price open. 15-minute opening range is here. That candle here is 15-minute opening range. Yeah. I think it's just gonna be, it's either gonna be, it's either gonna reject here and start going down, sell, so it's just gonna rip through and continue going up. If start just rips through and goes up for the rest of the day, continuously doesn't give any like very signs, it's just gonna be a hard day to catch a buy now because you're already in the middle of the range. I don't think it's never gonna go back to discount really, you know. It's just gonna be a bullish day, It's never really gonna be in a discount anymore. Because the opening range is over here, the 50-minute opening range is that kind of. So we closed above, really kind of want to come around this zone here if you want to take a buy with some type of confirmation price action that there is going to be a buy setup. But first you want to tap in around this area, around the 50 minutes, that's where we want to tap in this opening range. Now we see how the price action unfolds. Because you really want to be trading in a price action that has structure, So the price action is just shooting up like this with barely any resistance, it just keeps on shooting up. I mean, there's nothing you can trade, because there's nothing you can really trade because there's no sweep on the sell side, There's no liquidity, there's nothing you can like take it with confirmation for. So it's just shooting up. On the opposite, you can't really take a sell because if the price actually has been ripping through every single PD, like what's gonna stop from ripping through your stop loss, so you just gotta wait, and if nothing happens, you're just gonna wait for the next day. Unfortunate, but that's how things are. That 15-minute didn't close above the 15-minute, so let's see how that one closes. Yes, it's right now tapping its own 15-minute fair value. on a daily. It's hard to say because it's a big range. What's gonna happen there? You don't even know it's gonna go inverse, reject this 4 hour or 15, and then has to move down until here, towards here, or here, uh, or it's just gonna close around here next day, open down, goes up and retraces the whole down move, continues going up. You already know, you just need to trade the price action that's there and have a better prediction based on the price action right now. And right now it's just not telling you much. It's just in these areas where you expect some type of confirmation of direction, but you gotta be patient. We'll see if that one closes above the 15, so you can just focus on a full hour. Maybe if he gets inside the 4 hour, we could potentially expect some type of consolidation and some liquidity build up to take it on the way up because it's a big fair value gap. So expect it to stay longer in there. Or if the opposite gives a sell setup. But you really know what's gonna happen. That's the whole point. You already know what's gonna happen. I think that's a consolidation day on Thursday, Wednesday. It's kind of consolidating here. On a trending day, especially on a trending day, you don't want to buy when the price is so far away from the VWAP, you know, the average trading volume. You kind of wanted to pull back somewhere around V1 before you start going up again, or start looking for buy setups. Um, so if it comes in the fall and starts creating liquidity and V1 pulls back close and we have a buy set, then you can take it. But as I said, there's nothing you can do now. Like considering risk, there's nothing you can do back now. I'm just slightly annoyed, you know. I miss this whole move. I'm slightly annoyed. That here could have been nice buy. Just that I will stop loss. I mean, sure, yeah, there's a lot of people that would put the stop loss, at the bottom here. That'll be fine. But me personally, I like to put my stop loss at the end of the fair value gap, somewhere around here. Yeah. But even now, it's still not like even 3R this whole run. So it was a massive stop loss for me personally, the way I like to trade. But it was like a very good setup. It was a very good setup. It was very obvious the price gonna come down. It is what it is. Maybe maybe I go eat something. So nothing seems to be happening anyways. Okay, about 6 minutes before this program and closes. See how it goes. Yes, straight into the 50-minute zone. I'm just gonna go get something to eat. And Mm. Alright, we're back. What happened? Got me some popcorn. Got me some popcorn. We have some itty bitty closure. scan. Interesting. Oh. It's gonna be waiting, bro. Nothing to do. It's gonna be waiting. Mm. Shit's that boring, bro. Could have been done by now. Till this fucking by. Wow. Thing is that I'm overall bullish on Nasdaq, especially with Trump and everything. Nvidia, pretty bullish on Nasdaq overall. No, I don't think anything's gonna happen until maybe PM session. So you're gonna have to wait for like PM session maybe or some shit like that. And basically a big gap. Isn't this like perfect market make model? Isn't this like the perfect market make model, bro? No one bid it, like we kind of knew that was gonna happen. We just didn't capitalize on the shit. Now we're just gonna be punished with waiting. It's interesting. That's a no-way candle. We do have this liquidity over here, short-term liquidity. Previous day high is all the way there. We most definitely not reaching a previous day high. Ah, it's a lot of overlapping candles. It's a low probability condition. Yeah, we're gonna look for some looking for this to at least mitigate 25% of the fair value. That's what I'm putting through there. It's a big fair value. Ugh. and get a little pushback. Yeah, price action says. Price action is yes. Honestly, guys. If I wasn't streaming, I'll probably be off the trial right now until PM session. Like, I mean, it's fucking ass. I don't know what the fuck you expect to get in this price action. Look at that crap. I mean, like, there's nothing. Nothing. You know. After a big move like this, you're in for some fucking consolidation shit, slow shit. It's nothing really gonna happen. You know. Nothing that's high probability gonna happen because you know the areas that you wanna see, you know, get swept are far away and the new ones are not created. So the only thing is reversal, but like the reversal price action hasn't formed properly, you know. We are in a 4-hour PD, but as you can see, that is reacting like a 70 years old lady. It's not doing much. You have this whole range for it to get filled if he wants to. You know, he can do whatever the fuck he wants to do in this range. So I mean, look, this type of price action, guys, is nice. You know, like when you get like this massive move up, straight up. You know, that's a beautiful price action. If you are in a buy around here, you know, that's a beautiful price action. But if you didn't take a buy here, and now you're waiting to take a setup, that's the shittiest price action you have, right? It's the crappiest price action you have because like now you have to work with this, you know. It's much easier to work with that. Now you're gonna have to work with this big move up. So um, buys are out discounts, you know. So buys is shit. Price action hasn't been created around a particular area yet, you know. So there's nothing you can really fucking do but just wait. So it's just terrible, terrible, terrible. You know, if you go on a day like this, for example, where there is slow trend down, you know, there's a lot back and forth, low liquidity buildup. You can find trades in here easier than you can find trades in here. You know, it's much easier to find trades here because you have liquidity buildup, you have liquidity strips, you have targets. You know, it's much easier to build a trade here on this that type of price action. You know, all price action. You know, that's giving you some chances to trade in. You know, but when you have such a big move up, you know, there's nothing you can really do because we still got this 4 hour fair value gap, you know, so that 4 hour fair value gap doesn't allow us to do much because the price can come here, you know, stay here and then reject on the way down like that. You know, once this fair value gets inversed, you know, then we can look for a second on the way up. But before the 4 hour gets inversed, you know, the bullish bias is still in, you know, because this point is just a retracement. And the retracement is so big because it was a big fall down. So obviously the retracement up is still gonna be it's still gonna be a big one. You know, if we bullish, you know, if we bearish, you need to break through this fair value gap. So nothing you can do. You know, in here once this fair value gap got broken, once this fair value gap got broken, you know, it was easier to do a trade idea on the way down because, you know, the next area was, let's say here, could take a small pullback. But once that one's broken, you had this whole, you know, had this whole area over here to trade through, you know. So right now it's just in the zone where you can't really do much, guys. Just can't really do much. But it's just wait. You could do a lot, and you could go very well, but you can also blow your fucking account. It's just area and worth your risk. That's my fault. Shit. Yeah, it's just not worth it. And it is called trend line liquidity. This whole trend line liquidity over here keeps on building up. You take buys here, you risk this happening to you. So not only you risk this happening to you, but you have this whole inefficient price action down below. Yeah. So even for buys, the least you want to see is price action pull around this area here of inefficiency and take up this liquidity. The least you want to see if you want to get into buys. If you want to get into sells, the least you want to see is rejection of this fall, the fall fair value gap here. Right now we don't see any rejection. It's just slow move up. Slow move up. And you also want to see, you also want to see some price action building up. You want to see liquidity sweep. You want to see fair value gap inversion. You want to see break a block, and then coming down. So you want to see you want to see a break a block here. You want to see inversion over here. You want to see something worth taking the risk, guys. You want to see you want to see something basically against swing as well. You want to see that type of price action unfolding before you get a sell. Because if you don't have this type of price action, take a sell. I'm saying that it has to look exactly like this, but if you don't have this type of price action, then it's just a low probability sell. You can't just like sell on a fair value gap. It's fucking retarded. I'm retarded, but I'm not that retarded. So it's just nothing. You just gotta go wait. There's nothing you can do about it. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Is there sound? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Is there sound? The least you want to see is rejection of this fall up, the fall up. Hold up, guys. Let me just Play sound. Hold up. Dun, 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 dun. Let me delete the noise reduction. You should be able to hear me well now. Hold up. Hold up. How is the sound now? So let me play some music and some and speak in the meantime to see how is the sound now without the filter. Hold up. Okay, I think that the sound is better without the filter. Uh, rough. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh shit, we had a drop. Had a little drop here. A little drop. Let's see if we can do something with it. Let's see if we can do something with drop. Mhm. Okay, the queen is getting swept there. Da, 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 da. That could be a breakup. That a little bit just liquidity getting swept. I'm just gonna fat right up over here. Let's see if we can engineer a trade in between. Let's see. I think the sound was a bit crap because I put the filter on to reduce the noise, and with the music, it wasn't as good. But I removed the filter now, so I think it's gonna be a bit better. Let's see. Also, I could use a mic. I need to connect this. Hold up. Let me see if I can just use a mic, maybe. Hold up. Mhm. On a mic. Okay, that should just work now. Okay, that should work good. Let me let me let me strap it right now. Okay, now that should be good. Okay, that should be all right now. And let me see. What happened with the music? Hold on. Okay. Okay, so now I think now that should be a better audio. That should be a better audio. But let me double check here on the stream how it looks like. Okay, one, two, three. One, two, three. Okay, cool. I don't know if you guys hear the audio. Let me stop it for a second. Let me stop. Bro, I'm sorry. I don't know how the fuck to do this shit. That's the first time streaming. Okay, cool. I don't know if you guys hear the audio. Let me stop it for a second. Hold up. Let me stop the video. Okay. Let me let me talk a little bit now and see how the shit sounds. Hold up. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna stop and check the video. Hold up. Alright, guys, our audio is back. Okay, I need to figure out how to put background music. That's what I need to figure out how to do. Cause, cause I definitely don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Anyways, we push down low. Or maybe I can. Alright, guys, audio is back. Hold up, what the hell I'm doing? Okay, I need to figure out how to put background. Oh my god, I'm playing the I'm playing the YouTube video now. It's echoing. Hold up. Hold up, what the hell I'm doing? Okay, I need to figure out how to put background. Oh my god, I'm playing the playing the YouTube video now. It's echoing. Oh my god. I'm playing the. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think I. Okay, now you should be able to hear the music. Now you should be able to hear the music. Okay, I think I. And meantime, you should be able to. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should be able to hear the music. And you should be able to. Now you should be able to hear the music. Okay, I think I. And meantime, you should be able. I don't know how loud the music is. Though. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should hear the music. How loud the music is. And you should be able to. Now you should be able to hear. I'm gonna play it for a while like this, and then meantime you should be able. I don't know how loud the music is. Though. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should hear the music. How loud the music is. Okay, now you should be able to hear. I'm gonna play it for a while like this, and then meantime you should be able. I don't know how loud the music is. Though. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should hear the music. How loud the music is. Okay, now you should be able to hear. I'm gonna play it for a while like this, and then meantime you should be able. I don't know how loud the music is. Though. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should hear the music. How loud the music is. Okay. Because I definitely don't know what I'm doing. A YouTube video now is echoing. Now you should be able to hear the music. Okay, I think I. And meantime you should be able to. Okay, now you should be able to. Now you should be able to hear the music. And you should be able to. Now you should be able to hear the music. Okay, I think I. And meantime you should be able. I don't know how loud the music is. Though. Okay, now you should be able. Okay, now we're good to go. Now we have the music and the echoing stopped. Okay, we're back in business. Back in business. The only thing we haven't done is catch a trade, bro. Let's see what's happening. This could be a breaker. Have any mini fair value gap over here. It's too small, honestly, to me to do anything with that shit. Maybe in a 2 minute. Like we haven't taken this loss in years. Maybe if inverse is fair value gap, I'm gonna take inversion entry. If ES doesn't take this loss. It's on a 2 minute chart. 2 minute fair value gaps a bit better. I really want ES to take these lows. I don't want ES to take any of these lows, to be fair. Did it take this? Kinda took this one, but it didn't take this one. So I really want this. I really want this to be taken. This whole but I got 5 minutes here. It's too low. It's potential range and we're down. So 4 hour. 4 hour tapped in rejects of this one. Still got 2 hours though. 2 hours is a long time. Then 1 hour. Do have some rejection. I only like this breaker because they didn't take any liquidity on the way up, so it's just it's not really a breaker. That's what it is. It's not really a breaker. We didn't take any liquidity before dropping down. It's important in this conditions to just really don't forget that you're looking for high probability, because when price is not doing much, and you feel like you're missing out on a big move like this, you tend to be like, okay, I need to catch something, but that something has to be high probability still. The ES is looking a bit better because this high took this. Let's see how the 15-minute closes. We do have some SMT. But it's still like so minor. So we're gonna take a setup from here, maybe. Take a setup from here. 8% this way. Take the one. Once it reaches this area, you're probably looking for break even. If it reaches this area, if not, it's no. Then we're gonna take a, we're gonna get stopped out for today. Unfortunate. Not the best. Not the best thing ever. As it didn't work out, the price fucked us up. The price fucked us up. Unfortunately. It's kind of annoying. Still think he can shoot up. Vittorio's based on SMT, although yes, with the liquidity, it's a bit shit. The SMT got invalidated straight away. I just gotta wait. I got one more trade. I got one more trade. What I don't like is this didn't take down. No, that's the kind of thing I really want to see. I want to see more like inducement to be taken. It's kind of iffy price action. See how the 50-minute closes. Alright, thank you, John. Jesus Christ, man. Well, realistically,
would want this liquidity to be taken first before going down, bro. So I don't even want to be in a sell either. I don't want to be in a sell either because all this liquidity here. You know what I'm saying? It's potentially if that one breaks through, you know, could be in buy spot. As the least we swept some liquidity. But I would want it to, you know, I would want it to break with a nice inducement. You know, like a nice inducement, bro. Not just like a teeny mini shitty overlapping price action. Still, like, no equity sweep here. Getting close to the VWAP. I'm not fall asleep. That shit's fucking ass. Fucking ass. Uh, so fucking slow and sloppy. Oh. Maybe we're going versus 3 minutes. 3 minutes gets inversed with a closure. Now, thing is, I really don't want this to be taken. Ugh. Ah. Let's see who traces. Let's see if it breaks. If it closes above the break, I'm just gonna enter on the breaker. Or you shit your stop loss. I'm gonna enter over here like this. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Take the losses. This yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I guess two losses is what it is. Because we missed the first one. Is what it is, bro. What can you do? We come tomorrow. Is what it is.